you. My mom, say hi. Hi. And today we are doing Pizza Hut versus Domino's. And this is pretty rare on YouTube, so we're going to be doing it. And this is how the rules work. So we'll be doing rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. And the person who wins rock, paper, scissors, like...
We get to choose?
Yeah, and then like this...
Okay.
They mix it up and they like choose which one they want. Do you want Pizza Hut or do you want Domino's? Now,
but we're both gonna try the pizzas though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do this.
Alrighty.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes! No. Stop. I never tried it. Okay.
Okay.
Regala assim.
I'm gonna try it. I like it.
So this is ham, and that one is ham and bacon.
Bacon. Love bacon. That just was like chicken.
I do love it. It does not look like chicken.
It does.
I mean, I like this pizza, but the hams are just kind of chewy.
I like this one a lot. My ham isn't that chewy. It's like if you would put ham in a freezer for like 10 minutes.
Are you
But it's not
realizing
cold.
that you are eating meat in pizza? Why? Tortilla does not eat. Always order cheese pizza. If you order pizza with meat, all that.
the same. I like it because it's
They're about
chewy.
the same.
No,
I just feel like
because this one's like more chewy. Because I normally eat
I
chewy
feel like
crust.
this one is more soft. I feel like Domino's crust is more like soft.
No, I feel like this is more soft.
Really?
Yeah. If I could, I would take all the crust off from here and eat it.
But eat
Off for
crust.
myself. Off for myself.
You're gonna eat the whole box.
Oh my god, I haven't even noticed that. I'm almost done. I love it too much.
I want to try the something else.
Okay.
Okay, let's do
I love
Dominos.
it. Let's do this. Win number 1 from Pizza Hut. And win number 2, as you can tell, from Domino's. It's showing. Ugh. Wait, let's just. Oh!
I like cheese on it.
Oh, that looks nasty.
So they're both barbecue. And
That's probably
boneless.
with the black.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the black stuff's barbecue. Okay. I really don't know what I want. So I'm just gonna choose like, I don't know what both of them taste like. I have not tasted that one.
Do we do another rock, paper, scissors? So since
Oh yeah,
this
let's
is
do
the
rock,
first
paper,
one,
scissors. Yeah, let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I did it wrong.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Girl! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alrighty.
Okay, now spin it around like this.
Okay.
I don't know, like 5 times. Okay? Spin it.
No, wait. Did I just spin? Or I spin and get to pick? How is that? We just spin and whatever? And
No, just spin it and then you can like pick whatever you want. Just pick whatever
okay, I
you
think
want.
I'll stop. I want this.
You want this?
No, I want this.
Okay. Oh, this is...
So I think this one they put like cheese on top.
Okay. I'm happy with your decision. It actually tastes good. I feel like I'm gonna eat this whole thing too.
Want to try one?
Yeah. Try some more. Oh, this looks like crab.
Little cheese.
Like this one? Guys, look, this one looks like crab. Like a part of a crab. They would like eat. Ugh. The cheese ruined everything about this.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure? Try this one.
But if this didn't have cheese, I would have loved it.
What about this one without cheese? Try this one.
Okay. This one looks like mine. I can't find my hand. Like once I bite it, it's right into my mouth. Oh gosh, this one feels spicy. And water.
That's not water.
Right. What is this so spicy?
Water fountain! Sorry guys.
So funny. I think I'm gonna stick with mine. I would give this one a 10 out of 10.
You ready to 10 out of 10?
Mm. This one? 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? Where was it from?
I would give it 5 out of 10 because this one tastes like hello. Say hello. I would give this one 5 out of 10 because
Oh, this one try?
I would give this
No.
5 out of 10 because it's a little spicy and I don't know, it's just like the meat is too chewy. Everything's too chewy for me today.
This is soft. None of them are chewy. Except this one, like the cheese a little burnt. But that's
That one.
That's why. And because
I would rate this one a 7 out of 10.
I would
That
give
one
it
like a 6.
I think I give this one like 5 or 9 out of 10.
Alright everyone. That's it for today. So for today I would say Dominos was the winner for me for pizza and the wing. And the boneless meat. And for you? Alright guys, thank you so much
For watching.
and thank you for your support. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.